At last, the winter cycling jacket that you've been waiting for. Designed and made in Britain, this patented system keeps you warm when it's cold and cools you down when you're hot. One blizzard jacket, one base layer. That's it. Our special design of warm layering lets cool air through when you decide. Its bionic eco finish lets the rain roll right off too, putting you back in the saddle. Whatever the weather throws at you, just open the zip to cool you down, or close it up for those exhilarating downhills.